We have broken all the records. History has been created. So many, tourists across country as well as abroad visited us. And it is, of course, a very good sign as far as the economy of the tourism, Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Of course, it contributes to the economy to around 8 to 9%, but it has, of course, a trickle-down impact. That's why it's considered to be a very important industry. It promotes, employment, and it generates employment, of course. As far as the expectations on the budget are concerned, I believe Kashmir being an eco-fragile area, the government of India has to understand कि ये एक ऐसा एरिया है जिसका जो माहौलियात है, यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी अगर डिस्टर्ब होगा बिकॉज ऑफ ओवर टूरिज्म एंड अनप्लान्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ग्रोथ, तो यहाँ पे धीरे धीरे जो है ना ये जिसके लिए मशहूर है कश्मीर, जम्मू कश्मीर, ये धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हो जाएगा. यहाँ के आब बशार, यहाँ के नदी नाले, यहाँ की वादियाँ, यहाँ के सब्ज़ार, यहाँ के ग्लेशियर से धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हो जाएगा. अब देखिए यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट कितना बढ़ गया पिछले 10 सालों में, जिसका खमियाजा हमारे ग्लेशियर्स को उठाना पड़ रहा है. I don't want to see another Venezuela where they don't have any glaciers right now. Kashmir being an eco-fragile area, eco-fragile zone, I expect and I appeal the government of India, especially the finance minister, to keep into consideration the ecology and environment of this area and allocate a good chunk of finances for funds for the sustainable tourism, for the responsible tourism. That's the only way we can promote the tourism in Kashmir in the future years. Otherwise, it's of course going to be a disaster if we keep promoting over tourism in Kashmir. As you saw, this year we have had so many tourists coming to Kashmir जिनके पास accommodation यहाँ पे नहीं मिल पा रहा था. इसका खमियाजा हमारी जो resources हैं इनको उठाना पड़ रहा है. That's the reason I expect, बहुत सारी expectations हैं. Of course, they have to promote international tourism as well, क्योंकि अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि G20 का जो summit यहाँ पे हो गया था, since I was a part of the meeting, tourism working group meeting which happened here in Srinagar, तो हमने वहाँ पे भी बात की थी कि international tourism को हमें promote करना चाहिए. Of course, conducting the working group tourism committee meeting here in Srinagar was a very positive sign, and we all appreciate the government of India for that. But unfortunately, we have not seen any significant footfalls coming from abroad. The reason being, the travel advisories. हम government of India से request करना चाहते हैं कि they should take it up with the respective governments, especially the European countries, United States, and other areas जहाँ की हुकूमतों ने यहाँ पे travel advisories लगाई हुई हैं, उनके साथ बैठे और उनको बताएं कि Kashmir of course is a safe place and there is no need now to have the travel advisories in place. That's the only way we can promote the international tourism here in Kashmir.
Better infrastructure in unexplored destinations like
Yes.
There should be some budget for that also.
In order to decongest our popular Golden Triangle, Srinagar, Pahalgam and Gulmarg, and of course Sonmarg, we have to promote the unexplored offbeat areas. Of course, Government of Jammu and Kashmir has identified around 35 offbeat destinations here in Kashmir, but unfortunately these destinations have not been promoted properly. We don't have the proper infrastructure in place in those destinations. So the government of India has to allocate some funds for the promotion of offbeat tourism destinations here in Kashmir. Thank you.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें. अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें.